Minasan konnichiwa, J Steve desu. And today we're gonna see some updates and new info from the tokusatsu. So let's see one by one. Number 1. Kamen Rider GaッチャードDeluxe X-Gotchalibur. It's gonna release on 25th of November and price is 5720 yen. And this includes the campaign cards UFO-X and X Assemble. Kindly take a look at this card. And of course, the Rex card. And number 2, ULTRAMAN Rising. And Japanese voice actor is by Yuki Yamada-san. Another cool Netflix series. And number 3, Power Rangers Dino Fury, the Blue Ranger power-up form. It's kinda cool, huh? And number 4, Kamen Rider Saber. And here's the reseal items from the Kamen Rider Saber series. And we got the Deluxe Primitive Dragon Wonder Rider Book, Deluxe Second Soldier Driver, the Buckle Belt, and also the Deluxe Hawking Cross Saber. So kindly take a look. Okay, here are quick updates for today. So what do you guys think? Leave a comment below. Alright, so today hope you guys sharing. Thanks for your notification on our channel and see you next time. Mata ne!
Got tracks and some music that you never guess. I don't slack, don't lose, learn your lesson yet. When I get to choose what I do, I'm like a weapon. I'm not sharp as many, but got hard. I'm ready to change scars to